Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we have here is a Suzuki Swift keyring and remote key, and the remote control no longer works. So the first things first is we're going to replace the battery and then go back to the car and see if that solves our problem. So I'm just using a very small Phillips head screwdriver here, one little screw just there that I just took out. I'm just going to remove this this remote. Normally they come out quite easily. Just prise it out little bit by little bit. Okay, and there we have our remote unit. Okay, and what we'll have to do now is pop this open and put a new battery in it. As you can see, my workbench is super busy, so I'm just looking for a spot that I can pop it open, and there seems to be one on the side right here. Now there is a transponder in here too we don't want to lose. Don't want to do any damage. Yep, so it's definitely here. Really need a flat blade screwdriver to do this. Okay. Okay, sounds like we've got a little bit of action going now. Okay, plastic clips are out, and then we have our battery. The battery in question is a 1620, and I'm going to use the best battery I can, like a long life one. That way we don't have to do this again. So I've just popped it out, and it's got, I would say positive is facing down. Now the hardest thing is to get this battery out. We've always got these kid resistant type of packaging now, so of course finding a pair of scissors is going to be another battle. Here's one. So cut these out, make sure we dispose of the other battery wisely. We're just going to pop that in there, give a little push down, you'll feel it click in, and now we should be able to just inspect, make sure everything's good. It's like a bit of a Pac-Man shape, so we put that over the top, make sure our rubber's all seated nicely, and then just give it a push and a click. Now we've got no light display on this one, so we'll have to go out to the car and check it. A little bit of crud in there. Okay. There's no transponder loose anywhere, that would be housed in that section there, I would assume. It's down there. Putting our lid back on. So I'm just going to push it in and then put the screw in. Looks like there's a little bit of a clip the back in first. So clip the back of it first, which is over this side, near closer to the keyring, and then push the front in. Okay, and there we have it, replacing the battery on a Suzuki Swift keyring, part number 1620. Thanks for watching.